Jumbo, everybody! I'm Kim from WDW Magazine, and adventure awaits at Kilimanjaro Safaris. When you first sit down in your vehicle, look up. There's a picture display of some of the animals you will see on your safari. But don't worry about having to look up the entire time. Your safari guide will point them out along the way.
Black rhinos can get up to 3,000 pounds. They're widely being poached here. Their horns are made of keratin, the same materials your hair and your nails are made out of. Keratin, of course, doesn't serve a purpose to humans other than being hair and nails. So our friend the black rhino is basically being poached for no reason. Humans are their only known predators.
Be sure to have your camera ready for really cool African animal encounters. And there you have it, a quick trip around an African savanna. But don't take my word for it. Next time you're at Disney's Animal Kingdom, stop by Kilimanjaro Safaris. Jumbo, everyone.